Hello, y'all on YouTube. This is Rob, the Rob's Nerdy Knives. We got a special unboxing. Something coming in for, well, it's for my wife. Something special. She's a little camera shy, so she's not wanting to be in the video for this one. And I sure do appreciate you guys sending something for her and thinking about her. So I'm going to go ahead and open this, and then I will give it to her and see what she thinks. But let's see what came in. All right, today I'm opening up my box with my Tactile Knife Company. My Rockwall version 2 skeletonized one with a full flat grind. Great little knife. All right, so the first thing we have here is a pretty thick little box here. So let's see what we got in here. It's pretty sealed up. I don't want to cut through anything. Let's see. Okay. Looks like we got something in here. Okay. I'll put this over to the side. All right, what do we have here? Oh, we got a little tape on the side here as well. Okay, we have a little Merry Christmas card. Okay, all right, what do we got going on here? Merry Christmas card. Thank you. That is sweet. Let's see what this is. Thank you. Thank you. I don't know why you're saying thank you, but if this is for Robin, so let's see what it is. Don't stop believing. Oh my goodness, look at that. Would you look at that? That is amazing. She's going to love that. She's going to think that's amazing. And here's the ornament on our tree. I hope you like it. All right. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That's super cool. All right. So Bigfoot's on the way here. All right, this next one here. This one, I believe these two came from Tyler. I'm pretty sure. We got a box here, and it's a Civivi box. All right, what do we have here? A Gojiro. What is this? The one? No way. No way. No way. It is. It's the Gojiro, the one that she wanted. She's gonna love that. She's gonna freaking love that. Oh my goodness! Look at that. That is amazing. That is simply amazing. She's going to love, love, love that. So thank you. What do we got in here? There's something else in there. A Pokemon card? I don't know what this is, but if someone's into Pokemon cards, this is Glaceon. So there we go. I don't know if it's a special card or not. So I don't know. I will keep it in here, safe. But who knows? Maybe someday that'll be a really special card. I don't know much about that. So then I'm going to go ahead and open it with this one here now. So we've got this one. All right. So this next one, I don't remember this one being described by Tyler. So I'm not sure who this one's from. So I do know I sort of kind of opened it and realized it wasn't for me. So let's see. Is there a note? There is a note in there. All right. Let's see. And it says, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you and your family. Thank you. The Hank is for your wife, Shane Jones, Rebel Rouser 77. So Rebel Rouser, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is 50 ways. Let's see. You guys are amazing. She's gonna love this. Yo Raps. There's a 50 ways sticker. Let's see what we have. Holy cow, holy cow. This is amazing. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? All right, that's amazing. That is simply amazing. Well, you guys are amazing. I appreciate you guys so very much. I will see if I can get her reaction to it at some point. If I can, great. If not, you know, we will share this and I'll let you know how she reacted to the whole thing. But this is super, super awesome. Appreciate you guys so very much. Thank you guys. All right, so I think she's going to love it. I don't know. Let me see what she says.
Oh my gosh, that's so awesome. Thank you so much.
Well, we're going to put that on the tree for sure. And then she's got a Hank, and she has the knife that she wanted to steal from me. Now she gets her own knife. So that's super cool. Thank you, Tyler. Thank you, Rebel Rouser. Appreciate you, Shane and Tyler. Thank you so much, guys. You guys are amazing. Thinking of my wife. She loves Bigfoot, to say the least. So this is cool.
So if anybody lives anywhere where you know you've seen him, let me know and I'll come visit.
There we go. I guess we're coming to see Bigfoot. All right. Appreciate you guys.
Thank you so much.
All right, guys. So I got a chance for her to come in and take a look at it, and she's going to put it up on the tree, but I sure appreciate it. She did really enjoy it. She's going to put that in her purse right away. So thank you again to you guys out there making holidays and Christmas and all that just really special, especially with Bigfoot. She's a huge fan of that. So I really appreciate you, Tyler. Thank you for these two things. And then Shane, appreciate you for the Hank. Yeah, that's super cool. You guys are amazing. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year to you guys. You guys are all, I hope you had a great Christmas. I really do. Hope it was awesome. All right. We will see you probably for the last live stream on Monday. You'll probably see this one drop maybe Sunday. I'll try to get it out in the evening or something. And then we'll have our last live before 2026 hits. Appreciate you guys. If you found this content fun, interesting, or informative, or entertaining, or just different, would you mind considering hitting the like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, maybe consider hitting the subscribe button as well. Subscribing and liking the channel, it does help out, allows the channel grow, produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. And I appreciate you guys letting me share stuff like this. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And if you guys, I appreciate everyone who's part of the channel community, who watches the videos, part of the live streams, part of the chat and everything. 2025 has been amazing. So I just really want to say thank you, thank you, thank you. And if you haven't already, maybe also consider hitting that notification button down below so you can be notified of future content like this and other videos. And a big shout out to the channel members. Of course, you guys do two amazing things. You encourage me just by your memberships, and I genuinely, sincerely appreciate that. You have no idea how much that has meant for the last year, last couple of years, and will continue because I do this part-time. So thank you. Secondly, because of your generous support, you allow me to check out knives. I got a lot of things I got to ship out this week, catching up on reviews and stuff. And you guys are a huge part of that, allowing me to cover those costs. There's no way we could keep doing a budget banger giveaway each week with that and all those things. And so I just want to say thank you. Thank you to you guys. As a result of that, I want to do two things for channel members, right? Brand new channel members, email me your name and address so I can mail you a channel sticker and a little thank you note. I genuinely mean that. Brand new channel members, I want to get that out to you. I still handwrite those as long as I can. I'm going to keep doing that, just so you know, okay? And then secondly, all channel members, you're eligible for the once a month members exclusive giveaway. So each week we have a budget banger giveaway. Then that 1 week in a month, there'll be a members exclusive giveaway. There'll be two, and you're eligible for both of those giveaways. And I always try to make sure the members giveaway is a little bit better than a budget banger giveaway. Something hopefully you would enjoy winning as a prize or giving away as a gift, right? So that's my small way to say thank you. If that sounds interesting, there's a link down below in the description on how to become a member. I have 3 different tiers. Would love to have you. You'd be honored. Please don't ever feel pressured to do it. If you choose to do it out of your own choice, then thank you. Thank you. I'm humbly grateful and blown away. And yes, for some of you guys who are asking, I thought there's some more. I thought you get special emojis. Yes, you do get that. I thought you get exclusive content. Yes, you do. I thought you get, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year anniversary stuff. Yes, you do. You get kazoo salutes. All that. Yes, all that's true. It's just the small way for me to say thank you and how much I appreciate you guys. So thank you, thank you, thank you guys. Again, thank you to everyone out there for 2025. I know I'm probably going to have another video at some point, but I just want to say thank you to you guys. This is one of those things that blows me away, and I'm purely humbled, blown away. I think it's awesome. So thank you guys. All right. If you haven't already, maybe check me out over on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.